The command and control center of the brain, while this projection down here is the temporal lobe.
The human brain contains approximately 86 billion neurons. These specialized cells communicate using electrical and chemical signals, creating an incredibly complex network. Every thought, memory, movement, and emotion depends on these connections. Together, billions of neurons form one of the most sophisticated biological systems known to science. Although the brain represents only a small percentage of total body weight, it consumes a surprisingly large amount of energy. It constantly requires oxygen and glucose to support its activities. Even while resting, the brain remains highly active, coordinating countless processes that keep the body functioning every second of the day.
The amount we don't know about how the brain works and why it sometimes goes wrong.
The brain is remarkably adaptable. Scientists call this ability neuroplasticity. New experiences, learning and practice can strengthen neural connections and even create new pathways. This means the brain continues changing throughout life, helping people learn new skills, form memories, and adapt to new challenges. One of the brain's most fascinating functions occurs while we sleep. During deep sleep, specialized fluid systems help remove waste products that accumulate during the day. This cleaning process supports brain health and may play an important role in memory, learning, and overall cognitive function.
It makes up just 2% of the body's weight and yet consumes 20% of the body's energy. It contains 100 billion nerve cells or neurons. Each neuron has 10,000 connections, making a brain network of 1,000 trillion connections. Now,
although the brain processes pain signals from throughout the body, the brain tissue itself does not contain pain receptors. Headaches typically arise from nearby structures such as blood vessels, nerves, and protective membranes surrounding the brain. This unique characteristic continues to fascinate neuroscientists and medical researchers.
Is the frontal lobe, the command and control center of the brain, while this projection down here is the temporal lobe, involved in language, emotion, and memory.
From breathing and heartbeat to creativity and decision-making, the brain controls nearly every function in the human body. It constantly receives information from the senses, processes that information, and sends instructions throughout the nervous system. Every action, thought, and experience begins within this extraordinary organ, making the brain one of the most amazing structures in the human body.